Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be having some fun. I have no real projects lined up to you other than these cute little cards, and I'm just going to play with the Special Someone stamp set. This is a photopolymer stamp set which is from the mini catalogue by Stampin' Up, and it is just so cute. I have made these two really simple cards using this set. And I'm going to show you how to do them because they took seconds, absolute seconds. So you need a piece of backing paper. This is 9.5 centimetres by 13.8, and I'm just playing now. We're just going to have some fun. Take that sheet off because then it'll just be easier to grab which stamps I want. Actually, I'm just going to take that out of there as well. We're going for it, people. We're going for it. So the raccoon, this one here, this is just how simple this stamp set is. Pop him on a stamp, memento ink, ink him up, stamp him. Done. To make it even easier, there's no blends here, there's no watercolour, there's no tricks. They have given us a background piece. So I'm going to come in with some smoky slate. Ink that up. Go over the top of him, make sure it's lined up. That's the hardest part you've got. Stamp it down. Done. There's my raccoon. I mean, I don't know how long that took. I'm going to say 20 seconds. And I have a raccoon. It's gorgeous. That's a hair that's just gone on my block. I washed my hair before doing this one, so it's obviously been messy. I've put a balloon with him. It's fantastic. Let's put a balloon with him. That I can do. I want it in memento. There you go. Let's ink the balloon up. Pop that on. There's his balloon. String. Now there's two different types of balloons in here. There's a heart balloon and a circle balloon. I'm going to go with a circle balloon now. I've done the heart balloon on that one, so let me show you how easy the balloons are. Ink that up. Line it up. Put it on. Simple. The inside of the balloon, exactly the same as what we did for the raccoon. I've done that in red. That was in Merry Mallow. I'm going to come in and go play with Gorgeous Grape for this one, I think. There we go. Let's ink that up. Go over the top. There we go. How simple is that? Grab a sentiment. What sentiments do we have? This balloon is special. It's filled with helium. That's quite cute. We could do that. So where's that? They're those two. The only problem I can see you're going to have with when you're playing with this stamp set is running out of blocks. So this is the it's filled with helium bit. I'm going to play with Gorgeous Grape. I'm going to keep going with that. Let's just take that off there and use the same block. Make sure it's the right way around before you stamp it. This balloon is special. It's filled with helium. So that's like a nice get well card. Just so it sits with my set, I'm going to pop some backing on it and pop it onto crumb cake. And there we go. That's another one for the set. So I have a thank you card with the heart. This balloon is filled with helium. There's a squirrel. Let me show you the squirrel. The squirrel is gorgeous. I'm just going to grab my chamois and I'm going to clean up all the stamps I currently use, because otherwise I'm going to run out of blocks. That is the only problem when you're going to be playing with this, because it's so super and so cute. All of your blocks are going to end up being used. I'm predicting it now. So there's the squirrel. And then you've got the inside of the squirrel like you had the inside of the raccoon. Yeah. Memento again for the backing of the squirrel. He's just so cute. Soft suede this time. Might just move my smoky slate before I get into a mess with that. Inky matte over the top of the squirrel. Where am I going with that there? Yeah. How cute's that? I'm just going to do it again so I make it a little bit darker. Perhaps I should have used Early Espresso. I can't remember which colour I used before. There we go. How cute. I had him with a flower before. I'm going to do the balloon again, but I'm going to do a heart balloon with him. I'm changing it all. I don't want to, oh, I've done that with brown. I want it with Memento. I don't want all my cards to be the same. Oh dear. That's okay. I'm going to chop that off and pop him in the middle. I'm alright with that. I'm not really, it's annoying me, but I can work that out. He's going to have the heart balloon. Merry Mellow. The centre of the heart. Another card pretty much done. I'm going to have happy birthday. No, I'm not. I'm going to have thank you. This is how I'm going to fix this. Right. I know what I'm doing here. I'm going to grab a scrap piece of Whisper White. Take the thank you. La, 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 la. I forgot where I've put the lid to my Memento. This is how I get into a mess. This is my usual crafting, by the way. You know, when I come on, I'm all organised. No, this is what I'm usually like. But this stamp set is just so exciting. I'm going to be on here. I'm probably going to do about a 12-minute video and see just how many I actually do. I'm totally going to cover up that little mess there because I don't like it. There we go. Fixed. And that one says thank you, so I'm just going to grab the snail. Stick that onto some crumb cake. And there's that one ready to adhere to a backing. And finally, the final little animal on this set, at the top corner, is the cute little mouse. So let's play with the mouse. I don't know if he's that cute and little. He's not that cute and little. He wants a bigger block. That's fine by me. And there's his body. So, piece of Whisper White. There's the mouse. What colour does a mouse's body have? Should we go with Sahara Sand, do we reckon? I reckon. Oh. Let's line that one up. Oh, yes, Sahara sand was the right colour. Oh, I get excited by these little things. I need blocks again. So I'm just I can't remember which ones I actually cleaned on the blocks before. So there's that one. There we go. And we'll give him the flower. To hold. This flower's bigger than the mouse. What colour shall I have the flower? There's the lid to the memento, more importantly. Found it. Melon Mambo. Let's do that. Now with the flower, I did this yesterday, you want this lined up because all of the petals are different shapes. So make sure you get it the right way round, like that. And then all I'm going to do with this is, let me just adhere it to the background first so I can show you. Pop it onto a card. I'll put my sentiment on it as well. So thank you again, because I've got that one out. What I'm going to do with the flower is I'm going to use the fine tip glue pen. And I'm just going to pop a huge dab of glue in the middle there. That's all I'm doing. I'm not putting anything in the glue. I'm not sticking anything down. I'm just putting the blob there. Okay, so what it will look like is, let me use this one, is it's got like a bobble on there now. Nice and shiny. So I've got my squirrel, my mouse, my raccoon, and these two here need to be fitted to card bases. So what's that, a 12-minute video? I've got 3 cards and I've just played around. Could have done a lot more. But how cute are they? And how simple. They're probably the simplest cards you'll see if you're new to card making. These are the ones you want, because you can make millions of variations. You can have them in all different colours. How cute! Thanks for joining me today. This set is the Special Someone set. If you want this set, and after seeing it and playing with it, I mean, this has probably got to be one of my new favourites. Head over to slimandstylish.com, go up to my blog header and click on buy, and just type in Special Someone. You'll be able to add this into the checkout. If you do purchase it, don't forget to include my hostess code when you get through, because then I get an email and I send you out a little thank you gift, which will probably feature one of these little thank you cards with it. You never know. Don't forget to add some colours, because you are going to want to be doing some 2-step stamping where you're using the black and then you're putting the colour over the top. Alright, I've used hundreds of blocks here, but you can get away with just using 1 or 2 and keep changing them. Mine is literally just because I was on a video. I mean, you don't have to use all of these. You can just use 1 and keep changing them. You don't have to be lazy like me. This was me in the background with all my stamps. But yeah, thank you for joining me today, and hopefully I'll see you soon. If you've liked this video, do subscribe. Normally I have a project before I start. I don't just play. But I was so excited by this set, I wanted to play. See you all soon. Bye.